Hello, Craft Rouletters. It's been an interesting 96 hours here at the Craft Roulette Studios. We got hit by a pretty major storm last Friday night, right before episode 172. As you may know, the storm damaged a tree, which ended up taking out our power and internet after the episode. Whew, how lucky is that? Anyway, In Review is going to be rescheduled. You'll see it pop up on our channel shortly. But we had something special today, and we wanted to make a video dedicated to it. Here's what happened. A few weeks ago, a very nice lady named Shannon reached out to us from a company called Glassboard Studio. She wanted to see or know if we would be interested in a custom glass craft mat with the Craft Roulette designs. I told Mr. Producer about Shannon's proposal, and being the Mr. Producer that he is, said that he would say yes, only if they agreed to make 5 in total, so that we could keep one and give away 4. That's our Mr. Producer. Shannon said, "Sure, that sounds great." So after a little back and forth, Mr. Producer sent over a design, and look what showed up today. Oh my gosh! It's big! It's big, I tell ya! We're going to open it up and check it out. And yes, we will be spinning to give 4 of these away in the month of August. Anybody give me a thumbs up for that? Let's do it! Oh! Ooh. Jeepers! By the way, let's look at this mat that I've had for a while. Look how messy that is. We're excited. You know, another thing, here's a pro tip from Mr. Producer. He had Velcroed that mat down to my desk, so that he glued it down. I said Velcroed. He glued it down so that I wouldn't move it during the show and the grid would stay straight. There's a pro tip for all you aspiring YouTubers. Shannon, thank you for this. I'm really excited. Oh man, what do you think is on this? It's supposed to be a Craft Roulette thing. What would Mr. Producer put on it? Look. Game pieces. It's magnetized, so I can use magnets. Those are cute. How shall we repurpose this? Oh, it's got little feeties. How do we repurpose this? It's kind of cool stuff. Oh. Ooh. Ah. Holy smokes, this is fancy. Let me stand up. Oh my golly. This is cool looking. Box be gone. Now you see me? Now you don't. I could make a little diorama in that thing, couldn't I? Okay, let's put this up here. Oh, it doesn't feel cheap, that's for darn sure. Look at that, Mr. Producer. Do you see that?
Yep.
That is pretty sweet.
We're going to have to change our lights.
We are going to have to change our lights. We're going to have to change our light up there, too. That's our ceiling fan. You can see it ceilinging. So let's try these magnets. It's always one thing. You do one thing and then you have to fix something else. There we go. This is sticky tape. This is beautiful. It's 16 by 22, it looks like. It's got the A2 size right there, both horizontal and vertical. That's American A2. It's got a 12 by 12, right? Mm-hmm. Grid, and it's got a little tiny Craft Roulette right up there, so it's not obtrusive. Very tasteful. Boy, these things are freaking strong.
Rare earth.
There they go. Woo! I'll take Scrapman for green. So we've got the super glue guys And we have our Craft Roulette wheel. Mr. Wheel. Except it's not Mr. Wheel, but it is Mr. Wheel. But that is very Craft Roulette-y. This is super. I'm pretty darn impressed. It's it covers up that messy thing. I've never had a whiteboard because I've always thought I was too messy. But since this is glass, I can just wipe it off. Bring the Windex. I think we have a winner. Yep, this is the bad one, so the bad reflection. There we go. And so your paper just I see. So you can just stick your paper down. And you can give them a ride too if you want. Let's go choo-choo. I'm feeling lots of stuff in my brain right now. This is good. This is cool. You can hear it. Listen. I like it. What's this? It's a cool thing. Glass. I'm very messy, so I'm pretty excited by the whole glass concept. And I think we're going to have a good relationship. Glassboard Studio, Craft Roulette Board, and us. Thank you so much, Shannon. And remember, you're going to want to send in a card every week, start now, but starting the last Friday, the last show of July, because these will be given away in August. 4 of them to you. Good luck. Kiss your brain. Kiss your glass board. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.